I'm at a really cool place called Windmill Gardens in Holland, Michigan, and I am gonna show you this place. It is like a mini Amsterdam with a little mini town set up and windmills, and hopefully we don't get rained on because this place is absolutely beautiful. So let's check it out together. So there's all this garden set up, beautiful area, perennial gardens. And look at this cute little town, little bike there, and all these pretty flowers. Little makeshift windmill. And there is a real windmill here as well. Got a little carousel set up there. This is conservatory at Windmill Island Gardens. Cute little greenhouse with a bunch of plants there. Blooming now, so they have coleus, rudbeckia, lilium, echinacea, ornamental pepper, gomphrena, zinnias, and salvia there, and a little map of their area. Look at the little pretty walkway and all these begonias and hostas there. And this cute little mini Amsterdam town. I love these pretty yellow and speckled orange cannas. Look at all these pretty flowers there. There's the lilies. And more of one of my favorites, wax begonias. These ones are called baby wing. And these ones are so pretty right here. These ones are New Guinea impatiens. Sun impatiens, red candy. These are some hardy geraniums. Look at this pretty hydrangea, bright blue color. Some alliums over there, it looks like. Some climbing roses, it says here. Those look more like morning glories, though. And looks like these ones are the climbing roses on this side. Cool looking tree. Look at all these zinnias. More hydrangeas. Salvia, wishing zinnia, uproar, rose zinnia, zesty mix, and Angelina Serena white. Angelina Serena rose. Look at the pretty hibiscus, my hand. Look at, they're huge. And looks like there is back here a little swamp area. This place is super cute, but you can hear the thunder roaring. There's a lily pad flower right there. A very cute bridge here. Look at these hibiscus. It's like mine at home, except for a massive bush. That is really pretty. That white area over there, I believe, is where they have the tulip gardens in the springtime. These ones are massive too. this really cute windmill. Weeping larch tree. There's the windmill entrance.
Hello, welcome.
Up to the top of the windmill. That is so cool. It says this level. I'm not sure if you can go anywhere up, but you can see all the gardens from up here. I'm in the windmill and the thunder is just roaring. This is stone floor. Brake beam cap brakes. This is so neat. You can see Maynard Schruttenbohr. It is hot up here, so I'm gonna get down. But this is really neat at the top of the windmill here. So I was talking in there to the lady that is in charge of the windmill here, and she said that this windmill was built in 1964, and all the massive hibiscus and hydrangeas and everything were eventually planted over time after that around there and established over time. So that is really neat that all of this was created. And as you see the windmill behind me, it is a really neat place to see. So a surprise little visit. I wasn't expecting to come here, but my aunt wanted to come to Holland to check out some stuff. So we decided to stop here, and this is a really neat little place to visit. One more little take of the windmill. Such a peaceful place around here. They have all these flags from different parts of Holland, I guess. That one's Noord Holland, and I'm not going to try and say all the names because some of them I can't understand. These are some of my favorite hydrangeas that turn pink. They are so pretty. Cute little carousel that they have. And that is right at the town, back at the garden area.
But I know antique Dutch mill.
Those are very cute wooden tulips. This gift shop is so cute. This little wooden village behind the glass at Windmill Island Gardens is a miniature exhibit called Little Netherlands. That is the end of the Windmill Island Gardens tour. So really cool fact about this place is they started building this place in 1964 after they relocated a 251-year windmill called the Zwaan that we saw, and it came from the Netherlands there. So after they relocated that windmill here, they started planting the gardens and establishing this place, and this place opened in April of 1965. So that is a really cool place to visit here in Holland, Michigan. So if you're in the area, I would highly recommend checking out this place because it's a really neat place to check out, especially if you love seeing gardens and love taking a tour down history lane. So there you have it, my little surprise tour of this place. So if you like this video, would like to check out more seed starting videos or other videos, hit the like button, hit subscribe on the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. And like always, thank you for watching.